We're going behind the scenes of how I make my merch. So this is how I do it. Going and making my merch. We're just gonna pick one. We're gonna just do a gaming mousepad. And so this is how you basically do this. You can read these. So we're just gonna create this. There is these. You have different sizes. I think we're just gonna do this one just because, or you could do both. I think I want to do just the one. And you could upload your own images. You can go with, if you have Adobe, and or you can hire someone here. So we're just gonna go over here. I'm just gonna pick whatever. I'm gonna use this that I uploaded, and it says okay quality. You can do the sizing, not like, if you might want to do the size of the picture in your other software first, upload it here, and then you can change the size like this to fit it like that. But don't go like there, because then it will say low quality, and you could probably see it probably would be low quality. I'm just showing you guys that. I'm gonna scale it down, like right there, and then, or right there, just because. And I might just add, I don't know, if we scoot this over, I'm gonna just put, this is just for you guys to see how this works. Now this one says low quality. I'm going to, I don't know what it's doing. Okay, I do not know what's going on with that. It should have been doing this. So I'm just gonna scale this down. I'm gonna just put this here. And maybe put, I don't know, you guys don't have to do this. I'm just telling you and showing you that you can. This is not even going to, I'm gonna probably delete this after anyway. You can change this, whatever. I do not know why I did that. That's not normal. It doesn't normally do that, but I do have some uploaded stuff. Let's actually change this. Let's put this here. Just because. And then we can press next. And this is the fun part. So here, you can see that you have pictures. This is what it would look like. Most likely. For this, you can type in whatever you want and whatever, or you can use their AI thing, which I'm going to do. This is for you guys to read. You can learn more about this. I won't go into that because you guys can read it. I'm trying to save time. But here's this. I do have the pro version, so if you guys want, you guys don't have to do the pro version. It is free to do this type of stuff. But if you want like perks and stuff that they just release, they're always releasing new things. So I'm just gonna publish this. Yeah, so it's here, and then I have my coffee products. That's my shop stuff, donations if you want to do something like that, and then here, portfolio, where you can put your pictures and all that, or videos. You can make it a streaming service if you want. It's just a website builder. Comment, follow, and if you want more of these, let me know about that too, and how you liked this video, and how it helped. But yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out.